Masters Rules of Spoken English through Rehan Honor Channel. Dear friends, today we are going to commence our spoken English course. English is an international language, and the knowledge of spoken English is the need of the hour. Some people think that what's there in English? ABCD 26 alphabet. But those 26 alphabets A to Z are meant only for writing. But for spoken English, the method is different. Phonetics is a science that deals about the sounds in English. The speech mechanism in English consists of 44 sounds, and those 44 sounds are classified again by 12 vowels and 8 diphthongs and 24 consonants. Let us go in detail about these vowels, diphthongs and consonants. Let's start from the English vowels. Please note a point. Generally, the teachers would tell you that A, E, I, O, U are the 5 vowels and the remaining 21 are consonants. That is meant only for written English. But in spoken English, there are 12 vowels. I, E, A, Ya, A, O, O, U, U, A. First of all, you must know the 7 positions of the tongue so that your pronunciation may be perfect. The human tongue has got 7 positions. This is the tip of the tongue, front, and this is the center, and that's back. Now, take this side. When you take your tongue to the upper mouth, it is called the close position. When you bring it somewhat down, it will be called off close. Again you bring down, it will be called off open. When you bring your tongue to the lower mouth, it will be called open. Therefore, please keep it in mind. Front, center, back, close, off, open, open. This is the first vowel in English, E. And the second vowel is E. The third one is A. And the fourth one is Ya. The fifth vowel, very short, A. The sixth one is O. The seventh vowel is O. And the eighth one is O. The ninth vowel oo. And the 10th vowel is oo. Now come to the center. The 11th vowel is a. The 12th one is a. So we can give number V1 E, V2 E, V3 A, V4 Ya, V5 A, V6 O, V7 O, V8 O, V9 U, V10 U, V11 A, V12 Now let us understand deeply about each and every vowel with examples, how to sound them, and the words in which they are used with the sentences with that words. Now let's take each vowel in detail and how to write in phonetics for proper pronunciation and their actual spelling in written English are given. The first vowel, let's call V1 is E. Always in phonetics, the two bars must be given like this. Ill, spelling I-L-L, ill. My friend is ill. Im, im, same spelling and phonetics. It is impossible to do that. In, same spelling, the book is in the tail. Ir, same spelling, he is an irresponsible fellow. Is, same spelling, he is my friend. It, same spelling, it is a happy news. Fill, see the spelling, F-I-L-L, fill the tank with water. Gift, G-I-F-T, same spelling and phonetics. Tip, same spelling and phonetics. I got a gift from my friend. This is the tip of the pen. Sip, same spelling and phonetics. We sip the syrup. Ill, im, in, ir, is, it, fill, gift, tip, sip. In all these 10 words, V1 E is used. Now, let's go to V2, the second vowel, that is E. V2 is E. Let's have some examples. See the difference between the phonetics and the spelling in it. Feel, spelling is F-E-E-L. I feel happy. Eat, E-A-T, eat. The children eat sweets. East, see the spelling, E-A-S-T. The sun rises in the east. Heel, the bottom of the human body is the heel of the leg. H-E-E-L. See the spelling here. Easy. E-A-S-Y. Please note that the S in the word easy is pronounced as Z. Easy. The question was very easy. Free. F-R-E-E. Free. You are free to take any subject. Peak. P-E-A-K. Peak. Must be written in phonetics like this. The highest peak of Himalaya is Mount Everest. Then teak. T-E-A-K. Teak is a costly wood. The last one, tree. T-R-E-E. The tree is tall. This is the third vowel, V3. A. Egg. E-G-G. Egg is white. Bed. Same spelling. I lie on the bed. Fell. See the spelling? F-E-L-L. He fell down from the bicycle. Get. Get your money. Head. See the difference between the pronunciation and the spelling. H-E-A-D, head, is written in spoken English like this. Head is on the top of our body. Neck, N-E-C-K. But in phonetics, we write like this. The neck is between the head and the body. Tell, T-E-L-L. Tell me a story. Peg. Give me a peg of syrup. Egg, bed, fell, get, head, neck, tell, peg. Now, this is the fourth vowel. Let's call V4. It is a peculiar vowel, not found in many other languages. Ya, ya. Ant, A-N-T, ant. The ant is a small creature. Ass, the ass brays. Cap, we wear the cap on our heads. Lap, we learn to speak from the lap of our mother. Lamp, the lamp is bright. Map, take the map of the world. Pan, use the pan to fry. Rat, rat eats the rice. Cat, the cat is fond of rats. So, ya, ant, ass, cap, lap, lamp, map, nap, pan, rat, cat. Ya. Ya is the fourth vowel. V5 is a very short but, B-U-T, but, then bud, B-U-D. The beginning stage of a flower is called bud. Then cut, C-U-T. Cut your nails every week. Hut, the small house, is called a hut. Must, M-U-S-T, must. You must do your duty. Nut, the nuts are full of proteins. Mug, take the water in the mug. Then run, run fast. Then rough, see the spelling and the sound. R, V5 and F make rough, but in spelling it is R-O-U-G-H. The flow is rough. Then rust, R-U-S-T, rust. Rust of iron is dangerous. Now we shall see the sixth vowel, V6, all, A-L-L. All of you must be present tomorrow. Arm, my left arm is paining. Balm, apply the balm for the headache. Ball, the child plays with a ball. Fall, waterfall is beautiful to see. Tall, T-A-L-L. The coconut tree is very tall. Mall, M-A-L-L, sounds like this. We go to the mall to purchase things. Calm, C-A-L-M is the spelling. Be calm when you attend the class. Raw, the raw mango is green in color. The seventh vowel, V7, is O. Hot, H-O-T, hot. Please note it. Some people pronounce it as hot. It's wrong. It must be pronounced as hot. The same way, pot, it is a mud pot. Then top, don't say top, top. The top of the building is vacant. Mob, the crowd of the people is called mob. Then lock, don't say lock, lock the door. Then rod, this is an iron rod. Then toss, the team has won the toss. Then lorry. Please note here, some people called it lari and some other people pronounce it as lorry. Both are wrong. It must be lorry. Then got, G-O-T, got. I got a prize. Then lot. A lot of people learn spoken English. Next, let's take V8, the eighth vowel. O. For example, bolt, B-O-L-T. Bolt, the door. Then door, please see here the spelling difference and R is silent here. Door, open the door. Then more, M-O-R-E, more. Give me more water. Four boys are my friends. See the spelling and the sound. Four. Don't say four. R is silent there. The same way, coast. Marina is a sea coast. Then roast, R-O-A-S-T, roast. Roast the chicken. Then fold, fold the paper. Hold, hold it in your hands. Road, the road is rough. Now we shall take the ninth vowel, V9, U. Good. See the difference in the spelling and sound. G-O-O-D. This picture is good. Put. Same spelling and phonetics. Put your bag there. Wood. The teak wood is costly. Then could. I could solve the problem. See the spelling? C-O-U-L-D. But sound is could. Cook. C-O-O-K. She cooks well. Book. This is a costly book. Full. F-U-L-L. Full. Pull. P-U-L-L. Look. L-O-O-K. Look at the clock. Then took. T-O-O-K. He took my book. Let's take the 10th vowel, V10. Ooh. Please see, most of the people commit mistake in the pronunciation. You might have seen many people call it food, what we eat. But actually, its pronunciation is food. This food is good. Please correct yourself. It must be pronounced as food. Then, root, R-O-O-T. The root of the tree has gone deep. Rule. R-U-L-E is a spelling. Follow the rule. Suit. This will suit your interests. Then true. True. Speak true. Then boost. Boost. Boost the children to learn. Tool. Take this tool to loose the screw. Fool. He is a fool not to learn. Cool. The weather is cool today. Soup. I drink the vegetable soup. The 11th vowel, V11, is A. At. A-T, at. The bird is at the branch. Agree. A-G-R-E-E. I agree your plan. Assist. The people assist them. Assist means help. Then affect. Your health will affect. Sister. See, the A sound is coming at the end of this word. Sister. Kamala is my sister. Letter. Please see the difference. Letter. But the pronunciation is letter. I write a letter. The same way, better. Your idea is better. Please see again, double T and ER. It is pronounced as better. Then collector. Collector. OR is there, but it gives the sound A. Collector. Then apex. Supreme Court is called the apex court. APEX. Then addict. ADDEICT. He is an addict. Now, the last and the 12th vowel, V12, is a peculiar vowel. Sound. Nurse. 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 N-U-R-S-E. Bimala is a nurse. Purse. I lost my purse. Then girl. She is a good girl. Bird. Parrot is a green bird. Then curd. The curd is made of the milk. C-U-R-D. But it is pronounced as curd. Then burn. Burn the waste. B-U-R-N. But it is pronounced as burn. Then pearl. See the spelling? P-E-A-R-L. But the sound is pearl. Pearl is a costly gem. Then burst. The tire of the car burst on the way. B-U-R-S-T, burst. First, F-I-R-S-T, first. I am the first son of my father. By this, all the 12 vowels are completed and you have learned 120 words, their sound and how to express it in writing, and 120 words in phonetics you have learned so far.